You can download the arts in the video for free, link in the description. To flip and rotate nodes in Godot, go to the script that you want to control the flip and rotation. First, we add 3 variables. This is for setting the respective properties of the tile. Additionally, I add 3 variables for the data of the tile that I am editing. You may not need to do this depending on your application of this code, as you might be using a for loop that iterates through the tiles and then grabs its data. We will then create a custom function that will update the tile and set its flip and rotation values. We create a variable called alternate that will hold the flip and rotation data. Then we match tile rotation. Match is similar to an if statement, but is more readable and performant. We check for 90, 180, and 270 degrees. We ignore 0 and 360, as in that case, tile alternate will just be set to 0. Transform transpose swaps the x and y. Then using the bitwise OR, we also apply the flip h. The bitwise OR simply combines both sides so that they are active at the same time, and each of these 3 will return 90, 180, or 270 degree rotation that is usable for the tile. Then we check flip h and flip v. We use a bitwise XOR assignment that will add the value on the right if that value is not set. Otherwise, if it is already set, then it will be removed from the tile alternate. Finally, we grab the TileMapLayer, then use setCell, pass the tile's position, its source, and atlas chords, replacing the tile, with the difference being the addition of this tile alternate variable. Now for rotating left and right, you may have a custom function for this. We may be using a built-in function like the button that I have. We simply alter the rotation variable, then ensure that it can't be less than 0 or more than 270, so that way it suits our match function. Then we update the tile. For flip H and flip V, we check if it is set. If so, then we disable it, else we enable it. Then we update the tile. And for resetting the tile, we reset all the variables, then we update the tile. Now you have a simple way of flipping and rotating tiles in your game, and don't forget that you can check the project files, link in the description.